So you are welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to take our time to solve questions across indices, logarithm, surd, number base, and set theory. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start. This video is for those taking WAEC and JAMB. If you are SS2, it's going to be a valuable material for you to have in your arsenal. LS1, LS2, LS3, those writing WAEC and for those taking JAMB. So this is the first question. This is question number 1. JAMB 2013 question. We have to simplify 3 raised to the power minus 5n all over 9 raised to the power 1 minus n times 27 raised to the power n plus 1. This question is question under what now? Under indices. So how to solve it? Since 3 is the smallest value here, we will manipulate other values to be in base what now? In base 3. So we'll be having 3 raised to the power minus 5n all over 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2. So we have 3 raised to the power of 2 bracket 1 minus what? N. Then times 27 is 3 raised to the power of 3. So we have 3 raised to the power of 3 bracket n plus 1. What is the next thing? I will open these two brackets. So here we have 3 raised to the power minus 5n all over, this will be 3 raised to the power 2 times 1, 2. 2 times minus n minus 2n. Then times 3 raised to the power 3 times n, 3n. 3 times plus 1 plus what now? Plus 3. What's that next thing? Let me separate this part. We are having 3 raised to the power minus 5n all over. This thing is the same as saying 3 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power minus 2n. If you remember, under the law of what now? Logarithm. Under the law of indices rather. If I have a raised to the power of x times a raised to the power of y, the answer will be a raised to the power x plus y. So if this one can go like this, it means this one too can come back to this one now. 4. So see what I have here. I'm having 3 raised to the power 2 minus 2n. So if I apply this law, I will now be having 3 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of what now? Minus 2n. That is why I got the splitting form. So when we continue here, so what do we have? Then times 3 raised to the power 3n plus what now? Plus 3. So what happened? Everything here can go up. Okay? If I remember this law too, this law that says if I have a raised to the power minus x, my answer will be what now? 1 over a raised to the power of what? Of x. Equally, if I have a raised to the power of x, it's the same as saying 1 over a raised to the power of now minus x. So what's the meaning of this? It means if that is positive, it has a positive what now? Power underneath. When it's going up, it's going what now? Minus. But if it's minus at the power underneath, when it's going up, it's going what now? Plus. So this one is what now? Plus. I want it to go up, become what? Minus. This one is what now? Minus. I want it to go up, become what now? Plus. So this one becomes 3 raised to the power of what now? Minus 5n times 3 raised to the power of what? Minus 2 times 3 raised to the power of now? 2n. Then times 3 raised to the power 3n plus 3. What is the rule? When I have times in between them, I will take one of the equal bases and I will add their what now? Their powers. So now we are having 3 raised to the power of what? Minus 5n minus 2 plus 2n plus 3n plus 3. 2n plus 3n, that is 5n. So here we have 3 raised to the power minus 5n plus 5n minus 2 plus 3. That will be now plus 1. So what happened? Minus 5n plus 5n will cancel out. We now be having 3 raised to power 1. What is 3 raised to power 1? That's what now. That's the thing. So the correct answer to this one is what? Option A. Let's take another question. Okay? Now, what I'll be doing in this video is this. I will take like 2 or 3 questions from the same topic. Okay? One will be very simple, medium, then the advanced. So let us take another one under logarithm. 2009, JAMB 2009. Question says we should solve 5 raised to power 2 bracket s minus 1. Let me write it down here because of space. Let me write it down here. 5 raised to the power of 2 bracket s minus 1 times 5 raised to the power of what now? S plus 1 equals 0.04. We are asked to what now? To solve. So what are the options? A 1 over 3, B 1 over 4, C minus 1 over 5, then D minus 1 over what now? Over 3. So let us solve together, class. Let us solve the question tomorrow. So what's the first thing? Anytime I see what now? Decimal, I will first convert to what now? To fraction. So this one becomes, open the bracket, 5 raised to power 2 times x, 2x, 2 times minus 1 plus 2, then times 5 raised to power s plus 1 equals, this will be 4 all over 100. Convert 0.04 to fraction. This will be 4 all over, this point will be 1, 0, and 0. So what happened here? 4 here 1, 4 here 1 now, 25. So this one becomes 5 raised to power 2s minus 2 times 5 raised to power s plus 1 equals 1 over what now? 25. So we'll continue, shall we? We shall. So now 5 raised to power 2s minus 2 times 5 raised to the power of what? S plus 1 equals 1 over 25 is 5 raised to the power of what now? Of 2. If I apply that first law, I say if I have a raised to power minus x, it's same as saying what now? 1 over, that's the result. A raised to the power of what now? Of x. So if this one is going up to become what now? Minus. So now 5 raised to power 2s minus 2 times 5 raised to power s plus 1 equals to what now? 5 raised to power minus 2. When we have the same base, different powers, and we have multiplication in between them, we take one of the what now? Equal bases, and we add their powers. So this one becomes 5 raised to power 2s minus 2 plus s plus 1 equals 5 raised to power now minus 2. 2s plus x, that will be 3s. So we have 5 raised to power 3s minus 2 plus 1, that will be minus 1 equals to what now? 5 raised to power minus 2. What's the next thing? Since they have the same what now? Base here, and I have equality sign between them, this is one of the laws that we call conditional law in indices. The law says if I have a raised to the power of x to be equals to a raised to the power of y, then x will be equals to y. Since I have the same base and I have what now? Equality signs separating them, the base will cancel the what now? The base. I will now equate their power. So this one now becomes what now? 3x minus 1 equals to minus 2. Correct right hands. So we come here. We have 3x equals to minus 2 plus 1. 3x equals to minus 1. So our x is equals to now. What do we have? X is equals to, I will divide this by what now? 3. That will be equals to what now? Minus 1 over 3. So the correct answer is A. No, sorry. It is what now? It is D. Minus 1 over 3. That is question number 2. So let us take the third one under indices. Third question under indices. Before we go to what now? Logarithm question. Let's take the third question under indices. Third question under indices. So here we have simplified. This is 20 level. JAMB 20 level. JAMB 20 level question. we have to simplify. Simplify 16 all over 81 raised to the power of 1 over 4 divided by 9 all over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Okay? What are we going to do here? What are the options? A 2 over 3, B 1 over 2, C 8 over 9, then D, we have what now? 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So what will we do here, class? Note. If I have A over B raised to the power of what now? X under indices. This power, this S, okay, we affect both what? A and B. If I open this bracket, we have A raised to the power of what? X all over B raised to the power of what now? X. Similarly, if I have A all over B raised to the power of what now? Minus X. In this case, I will interchange the numbers. This number here, that is what now? Denominator will go up to become the numerator. This numerator A will come down to become what now? The denominator. In that case, once I swap the positioning of the elements involved, this minus what now will disappear. Now that be B all over what now? A raised to the power of what now? S. We are now back to this page. Open this bracket. This S will affect both B and A. Now that be B raised to the power of what now? X all over A raised to the power of what now? S. So let us use that what now? This to solve that question. So let us go. Shall we? We shall. Let's go. So it means so it becomes 16 raised to the power of 4 all over 81 raised to the power of all over 4 divided by 16 all over 9 first. I will interchange to have 1 over what now? 2. This is what now? 2 raised to the power of 4 times 1 over 4 all over 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then what is 81? Okay, that will be 3 raised to the power of what now? 4 times 1 over what now? 4. Then divided by, so now becomes 16 raised to the power of 2 all over 9 raised to the power of what now? 2. What do I have here? 4 cancel 4. 4 cancel 4. So it becomes 2 raised to the power 1 all over 3 raised to the power 1 divided by, I'll break this one down. This will be 4 raised to the power 2 times 1 over 2 all over 3 raised to the power 2 times 1 over 2. 16 is raised to the power 2. That is 4 times 4. 9 is raised to the power 2. That is 3 times 3. 2 cancel 2. 2 cancel 2. So we now have here 2 raised to the power 1 all over 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 4 raised to the power 1 all over 3 raised to the power 1. So what happened? 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 all over 3 raised to the power 1. 3 divided by 4 raised to the power 1. 4 all over 3 raised to the power 1. We have 3. I will now change this sign to multiplication. Once I change the sign, this is affected. So I will go up. This one will come down. We will now be having. Now let's go. We will now be having what now? 2 all over 3 times 3 all over 4. 3 will cancel 3. 2 here 1, 2 here what now? 2. That will not be what now? All over 2. So the correct answer is what? Is 1 over 2. Option what now? Option B. And B is correct what now? The correct answer. So that is that under what now? Under indices. That is the question we have under indices. So let's go to logarithm question. Let's go to logarithm question. So the first one, look at the first one. So we should what now? We should evaluate. I think I can solve it here. Let me go to this case. Let me use this case first. Evaluate. This is JAMB 2014. JAMB 2014. Okay? We are asked to what now? Evaluate log of 8 raised 2 plus log of 16 base 2 minus log of 4 base 2. Options A 5, B 6, C 3, D 4. What will we do here? I can solve this question using the definition, meaning solve this one separately, this one separately, this one separately. I will not combine, or I will apply the laws of logarithm to solve them. So I will do the two. I will solve it separately. I will now apply the laws of logarithm. So the one that you think that you like, you pick it, because a single way does not lead to a market place. So we want to equip you, okay? We want to equip you with what now? Many ways to solve what now? Question. It is happening live in Indices. We do it better because we are the best. Shall we continue? Let's go. Shall we? Shall we? We shall. So let me write this place more. Let me write this place more. If you are interested in private lessons, just check our work now. Description. Okay? If interested in private lesson, SS1 to SS3, JAMB, WAEC, JUPER. Okay? Check our work now, our description. You see some numbers there. You can just work now. Contact the number. If you also want tech program like software development, data analytics, UI UX, cyber security, contact us. Okay, this is Indices. This is where we build the nation. Let us continue. Alright, so let me solve this separately. I will now use the definition. Definition says if log of p base a equals to what now? X. Okay? I want p to stand alone. I will use this a to raise this p up. It means p standing alone will be equals to a raised to the power of now x. This is the definition. So let me use it here. I'll say let log a base 2 equals to what now? X. I want a to stand alone. What will I do? These two will raise this x up to now be 2 raised to the power of x equals to what now? 8. This is what we call log equation or log form. This is what we call index equation or index form. So I can go from logarithm to indices. So what happened here should now be 2 raised to the power x equals to what now? 2 raised to the power what now? 3. Our x equals to what now? 3. So it means this one here is 3. Let me solve this one. So I'll say let log 16 base 2 to be equals to what now? Y. So what happened? 2 raised to the power y equals to 16. 2 raised to the power y equals to 2 raised to the power what now? 4. Y equals to what now? 4. Then what is the third one? What is the third one? What is the third one? The third one is what now? 2. Okay. I will now say let log what? 4 base 2 because it will be what now? M. So we have 2 raised to the power m equals to what now? 4. 2 raised to the power n equals to 2 raised to the power what now? 2. Our m equals to what now? 2. So what we have here is what? X plus y plus what now? N. What's our x? That is 3 plus what's our y? Our y is 4 minus what's our n? N is what now? 2. That will be 7 times 2 and that will also what now? 5. So the answer there is what now? Is 5. Option A. If I apply the definition of logarithm to solve this question, I want to like this. Let me now apply the law of logarithm. Since you have base 2, base 2, base 2, it just says if I have log of A base x plus log of B base x, since they have the same base, and I have what now? Plus between them, I will multiply what now? These numbers should not be log of A times B base x. If I have log A base x minus log of B base x, once I have the same base, I have minus between them, I will divide. That will not be log of A divided by what? B base x. Look at this one again. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. If I log of a power n base x, my answer will be equal to what? This n will come to the back. I have n the what now? A base x. So I can solve this question in many ways. So, okay. So I will have log of 2 power 3 for 8 base 2 plus 16 log of 2 power 4 base what now? Base 2. Then minus. What's that one? 4. I'll be log of what now? 2 power 2 base what now? Base 2. If I apply this 4 here, all these numbers will come to the back. Now 3 log 2 base 2 plus 4 log 2 base 2 minus 2 log 2 base 2 plus the logarithm of a number to its base is 1. So meaning if I have log of x base x equals to what now? 1. What now log 2 base 2? 1. This one becomes 3 times 1 plus log 2 base 2, 1. 4 times 1 minus log 2 base 2, 1. 2 times 1. This is not what now? 3 plus 4 minus 2. 7 minus 2. This is what now? 5. The same word now. The same answer. So the big one and what? And log. That's the first question on that logarithm. Next question on that logarithm. Next question on that logarithm. You just pause the video since you have the link and you watch the video. Okay? As is that. Next question on that logarithm. Now it says if log, this is JAMB 2011. JAMB 2011. This is our question. If log of 18 base 3 plus log of 3 base 3 minus log of s base 3 equals to what now? 3. We now have to find the value of what now? Of x. Class. Whenever you are solving question on another word, on that logarithm, you have to shine your eye. You must shine your eye very well. Look at this. Log 3 base 3 is 1. Because the log of a number to its base is 1. So I will say log of 18 base 3 plus 1 minus log of s base 3 equals to what now? 3. So what happens? I will write like that. This one will come here. You have log of 18 base 3 minus log of s base 3 equals to what? 3 minus 1. So here I will apply this word. Same base minus in between them. I will take one of the bases. Okay? I will not divide the number. So this one will become log of x divided by what now? X is 3 equals to what now? 2. I will now apply the definition of logarithm. What happens? This one here raises 2 up. So at this log and log now disappear. This is 18. Sorry, this is 18. We now have 18 all over x equals to what now? 3 raised to the power of what now? Of 2. So everything that becomes 18 over x. 18 over x equals to what now? 9. So we have 18 all over x equals to what now? 9. We'll cross multiply. 9x equals to what now? 18. We'll divide by what now? By 9. So this our x equals to what? 18 over what now? 9. So x equals to what now? X equals to 2. So write it down. Write down, please. Write down. Write down. Write down. Write down. So the third question on what now? On that logarithm. Third question on that logarithm. You notice I'm solving three questions on each of the topics. So third one says JAMB 2029. 2029. JAMB. JAMB 2029. Third says if log of 2 equals to 0.3010, log 7 equals to 0.8451, 8451. Evaluate log of 280. Log of 280. Now options A 3.4471, B 2.4471, C 1.4471, D 1.4071. So how to solve this? Whenever you are given a condition, okay, what you have to find, you will break it down based on what you are given. So I must be able to express this 280, log of what now? Log 2 and log what now? Log 7. This is a common logarithm. Common logarithm. The logarithm of a number to base 10, okay, is common logarithm. So if nothing is here, it is base 10. Base 10. Clear? Clear? Shall we continue? We shall. So let's go. Okay, so log of 280 now. Log 280. I'll break it down to be log of, you know that, oh yeah, break this 280 down. I have log of what now? 28 times 10. 28 times 10. It's not 20. 20 times 10 is what now? It's 20. Why? Because I can see 2, 2, and 7 in this one. 28 is 4 times 7. And therefore, I can further break that order to what now? To 2 raised to power 2. Or 2 times 2. So here, it will not be log of what now? 2 times 2 times 7 plus, okay, times 10. If they are multiplied themselves, I can separate and I have plus. This will now be what now? Log of what? 2 plus log of what? 2 plus log of what now? 2. I hope you can see this place. Let me write it here. So I will not be able to. So this will be what? I hope I'm not. So this will be what? Log of 2 plus log of 2 plus log of 7 plus log of what now? 10. The logarithm of a number to its base, log 10 is what now? Is 1. Log 2 was given 0.3010. I cannot substitute. 0.3010 plus 0.3010 plus what is log 7? It was given. So you have 0.1 now. 8451 plus log 10 is 10. 1. If you add everything, what is going to happen? You have 2.4471. You have everything, yes. You have 2.4471. That is the answer. When you add everything, 2.4471. Correct. Option what now? Option B. That is the third question on the logarithm. Okay? That's the third question on the logarithm. So let us go. Next one, let us stop question on the number base. Number base. Now let's go to question on what now? On the set. Or let us solve set theory first. Let us solve question on set theory first. So we have the number this up. Number this up. I will interpret 2 Venn diagram, and I will interpret what now? 3. Now look at this class. Take note of this. I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. If I have this one here and I have this one here, this place, if this one is what now? A, this one is what now? Is B. This place is A intersection B prime, meaning A only. A only. This one is what now? A only. A but not B. Then this one is A prime intersection what now? B. Meaning A prime, that your what meaning? This what now? B only. B only. B but not A. This place is A and B. A and B. A and what? And B. This place outside is not A and not B. Not A and not B. Okay? Why everything is the universal set? How about something like this here? for everything. So if I have something like this here, class, pay attention. Pay attention. I have this. I have this. Now, if this one is what? A, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, this one is what now? 4, this is B. What is A only? A only. A only is what now? 1. That is number of A intersection what now? B prime. That is A only. A only is what? Is 1. What is B only? Number of A prime intersection B is what now? Is 3. Is 3. That is 3. If you ask us to find number of A, be careful. Number of A will be 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. A only is different from A. When you get only, it will change what now? The face of the question. Be very careful. Because that's where they hide. They will hide behind only. Be very careful. So what's that become? To be 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what now? Is 3. So this our A is what now? Is 3. So what is the number of B? B equals what now? Class 3 plus which is what now? 5. What is not A, not B? Number of A is not there, complement. B is not there, complement. That will be what now? 4. 4. What is now the universal set? Number of universal set, I will now add everything. That will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And what's the universe? This is what now? This is 10. Clear? So let's now go to the question. 2011. 2011. 2011. JAMB 2011. JAMB 2011. JAMB 2011. So we have this. We have this diagram there. We have this diagram there. JAMB 2011. JAMB 2011. We have U here, U is here. Our inverse set. P is here. Q is here. A is here. E is here. B, C, D. And I said, from the Venn diagram, the complement of the set P and Q is complement of the set P and what is the complement? The complement of a set will be another set that contains elements found in the universal set but not in that set. Look at this. Look at this. Suppose I have my universal set. Don't let me write it here. Suppose I have my universal set. Just example. I have my universal set. I set of what now? 1, 2, 3 to 10. And I have A to be what now? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But I have to find A complement. That is A prime. A prime. A prime will be another set, okay, which contains elements that are here but not here. That's the meaning of complement. Elements in what now? Universal set that are not in that set that they are discussing. So it means without universal set, you can't see complement. Clear? Because what I need are what now? All the elements that are here but not here. That will give us what now? 1, 3, 5, 7, and what now? And 9. That's enough complement. So the next step, we should find what now? The complement of the set P and Q. What are the options? A, we have A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then B, we have B, D. C, we have AE, then D, we have what now? We have C. So we have to find what now? Complement of P and Q. So we need to get P and Q first. What are the elements in P and Q? P and Q. From what I gave you, this is P and Q. So P and Q equals what now? Equals to C. What is the universal set? All the elements there. That's what now? A, B, C, D, and what now? And E. So what is now P and Q complement. Meaning elements that are here but not here. So what will be the element when you use them out? You just do what now? Elements will be what? A, comma, B, C is yes, I will not write C, D and what? And E. Elements here in the universal set, but not in the set that we are considering. Clear? So that is that. Option what now? Option what? Option A. I don't want this one to be too long. Okay, so 35 is still okay. So maybe 55 I will stop. I don't want to be too long. So that is that on that. That is that on that. Then let's get another one under indices. Okay, I said we're going to do solve. So after this one, we take solve question. We take solve question. In a class of 46 students, in a class of 46 means what now? The universal set. This is JAMB 2012. 2012 question. JAMB. In a class of 46 students, it means number of the universal set is 46. 22 play football. Number of those that play football is 22. 22 play football. And 26 play volleyball. Number of volleyball is 26. If this student play both games, this one will be number of football and volleyball is 3. How many play neither? They didn't do anything. That will be number of what now? Number of football, they are not there. Intersection. Number of volleyball, they are not there. I don't know. Let me put what now? X. This thing here. Can also be written as what now? Number of F union what now? V or prime. Mean F union V or prime. This thing here is the same as what now? As this. This is what we call the Morgan's law of set. The Morgan's law of set. How many laws want to say? This is what is what now? The Morgan's. This and this are the same thing. Alright? Clear? Shall we? We shall. So that's good. I can solve this question in 2 ways. Either I use what now? Venn diagram. Or I use what we call the principle of what now? Inclusion and exclusion. I'll teach you both. Let me use the Venn diagram first. But I've explained the Venn diagram. So let us go. I have like this. So you pick the one I like. I have like this. I have this. Football. Volleyball. Football is what now? 22. Volleyball is what? 26. This one is 3. What will be volleyball only? Sorry, what will be football only? That will be 22 and what now? Minus 3. That will be what now? 19. 19, 20 to 22. Now, what will be what now? Volleyball only. That will be 26 and what now? Minus 3. That will be 20 what now? 23. Then, those that don't do anything is here. What are you last set? 46. U equals what now? 46. So it means our 46 so will be equals to what? 19 plus 3 plus 23 plus what now? Plus x. Clear? So that will be what now? 46 equals to this is what now? 26. 26 plus 19. That will work now. 41, 45 plus what? Plus x. X equals what now? 46 now what? 45. Our x equals what now? 1. So I'll be able to solve this using Venn diagram. What are your options? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So option A, 1. 1 from B, 2, C, 3, from D, 4. I solve this question using what now? The Venn diagram. Let me solve using what we call principle of what now? Inclusion and exclusion. Principle of what now? Inclusion and exclusion. Pi. We have a principle that we call PIE. Under what now? Under set. Principle of inclusion and exclusion. The proof says my number of u will be equal to, if I'm excluding, equals to number of what p plus number of what now q minus number of p and q plus number of not p and not q. That's the principle. Let me write it so you're able to see it very well. Number of everything u, number of p plus number of q minus number of p and q plus number of not p and not q. This is exclusion. What about inclusion? Inclusion is number of u everything because of number of p plus number of q minus number of what now? P and q. Principle of inclusion, exclusion. Inclusion, exclusion. Because I have somebody that not do anything here. I have somebody that not do anything here. I'll read this formula. And if everybody was involved, I'll read this formula. Suppose everybody was involved. Everybody participated in what now? In the games that we have. This one is what now? Exclusion. So it's what now? Inclusion. So what will I do? I'll read the first one. What our universal set? 26 equals to number of p, 22, plus number of q, 26, minus p and q, 3, plus not p, not q, x. What do you have there? 46 equals to what now? 48 minus 3, 45 plus x. What do you have x? 46 minus what now? 45. Let's go to what now? 1. We have the same thing. Let me do this what now? Solve. I won't waste our time. I will call it what now? A day. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me just solve question. I will call it a day. And if I have some things to have, I will have it. So that's nothing about. That's nothing about. We think more about now inclusion and exclusion. Inclusion and exclusion. So here, the first one, simplify, then we think JAMB. We have to simplify root 147 minus root 75 all over root 48. This is what now? 49 times 3. 49 times 3. So I have root of what? 49 times 3 minus root of 25 times 3 all over root of 16 times 3. So we're not writing down separate. Root of 49 times root of 3 minus root of 25 times root of what now? 3 all over root of 16 times root of what now? 3. So what's root of 49? 7 with what? 3 minus what's root of 25? That is 5. So 5 with what? 3 all over root of 6 is what now? Is 4 with 3. Similar sum. I can subtract them. This is not what now? 2 with 3 all over 4 with 3. The 3 will get what now? With 3. Now what now? 2 over what now? 4. 2 here 1, 2 here what now? 2. This is what now? What are the options? Options are having not A is 2, B is 1 over 2, C is 1 over 4, and D is 3. So the correct answer is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. 1 over 2. 29. 29. JAMB. So this, you can't escape question under what now? Under solve. You can't escape question under what now? Indices. You can't escape question under what now? Set theory. You cannot escape questions. They are coming out. Every year they must come out. This is algebra part of what now? Of mathematics. They are coming out. Algebra. Every year you see questions on algebra. Number base. We have video on our what now? On our YouTube channel here, where we solve questions on that what now? Number base. Go and watch those videos. They will help you. They will help you. So let's go. Simplify. 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 5 plus 7 all over 3 plus 7. So A, option A, we have 17 minus 7. B, we have 4 minus 7. C, 15 plus 7. D, 7 minus what? 7. So let's go. Anytime you have a fraction that is denominator is in what now? Short form. You must rationalize. What do you mean by rationalization? I will multiply this one and this one by what now? By the conjugate of this thing here. What is conjugate? I will change the sign of plus what now to minus. That's the meaning of conjugate. So here we are having 5 plus 7 all over 3 plus 7 times 3 minus 7 all over 3 minus what now? 7. I will now multiply. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times minus 7 minus 5 is 7. With 7 times 3 plus 3 with what? With 7. Then with 7 times minus 7, that's what now? Minus 7. Root of 3 times root of 3 is what now? Root of 9. And what's root of 9? 3. So plus 7 times minus 7 to be root of minus root of 49. And that brought now minus what now? Minus 7. All over 3 times 3, 9. This and this what? Minus 3 with 7 plus 3 with what now? 7. Then minus what now? Minus 7. Clear? Minus 3 with 7 will cancel what now? Minus 3 with 7. What happened here? 15 minus 7 first, 8. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 what? With 7. Because they are similar sum. I can add them. Then all over this will cancel this. 9 minus 7. That will go up to now 2. So now separate. 8, take a whole. Minus 2 with 7. Take a whole. I'll separate them. What is this? 4 minus what now? Is 7. Option what now? From B. From B. That is that under soil. That is that under soil. That is that. I think we should stop here. I don't want the video to be too long. This is almost 48. 48. We spent 48 minutes. I don't want the video to be too long. I don't want it to be too long. I don't want it to be too long. I don't want it to be too long. So let me just quickly explain. Let me pause here. So in the next video, we are going to continue from where we stopped. So if this video has helped you one way or another, please don't forget to what now to share with your friends, writing WAEC, writing what now JAMB, LS2, LS1, LS3. Okay, and don't forget to work now to subscribe. Okay, you must help us to work now to make new sound of God, not profound. Just keep telling people, need to serve, need to serve, need to serve. If this video has helped you, write confirm down this word now in the comments. Write confirm. If you've learned one or two things in this video, write confirm under the comment. This year is our year. If you believe that this year is your year, that you're going to pass JAMB, you're going to pass WAEC. If you're not you're going to work now, be promoted to SS3. If you're not you're going to work now, SS2. Write amen. So you're writing two things beneath this video. If this video helps you, write confirm. If you are going to be promoted and you pass your exam, write amen. I will see you the next time. God bless you.